Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this we are continuing with Sketcher series. So in this video, we are going to see how to draw this ship lever sketch. Okay. So simple one. So firstly, you have to draw this elongated hole, then these two circles, and then you have to draw this arc. Okay. So if you are new to this channel, just scroll down our previous video. So these are very useful to create a logic how to draw any kind of sketch. Okay. So let us start with this sketch. So I'm going to consider this as my origin, this point as my origin, and I'm going to draw this elongated hole first. And after that, I'm going to draw these two circles, and then I'm going to close this or connect these two parts. So just go to elongated hole. This will be my first part like this. And so as if you just see this, what we can say, these dimensions are very less. So we can consider as 1:100. 1:100 we can consider. So for example, it is 5.50. So instead of that, we will consider as 550. Okay. So this is 76. So instead of that, we can consider 0.76. Instead of that, we will consider that as a 76. Okay. So it will be something error. Yeah. So just double click here, 76 divided by 2, that is 38. And one more center rectangle is there, like, so it's not centered rectangle, it is elongated hole. It is of 75 radius. So just double click here and make this 75. Okay. So total center to center distance is around 125. So just make this as 125. Now there are two circles. First circle, second circle I have drawn, and just check the radius. It is 150 diameter and 75 diameter. So first diameter, just go here and 150, and second one is of 75. Correct. So two circles we have drawn. Now we have to define the position of this circle about this origin. So just check. So horizontal distance of this is around 550, and vertical direction distance is around 275. So 550 and 275. So this is 275, and from this point this is 550. Correct. Okay. Now if you just see, there is one 600 radius circle is there, or arc is there, which is tangent to this circle also and this circle also. Okay. So if you like our series, so please subscribe our channel. So you just go through a previous series also to increase how to draw sketches logic with the help of this sketcher module from the CATIA. Okay. So welcome back to again coming back to this video. 600 R is there. So we are going to draw this arc which is tangent to this also and this also. So let us start. So random arc I am going to draw like this only. And you can give this as a 600. Radius is 600. So this circle is tangent to this circle and also to this circle like this. Correct? Now you can trim this portion like this. Now, so we have drawn this arc, and now we are moving towards this arc. So if you just see, there is one more 100 mm radius arc circle is there, and this arc is tangent to that one. Okay, so and the radius of that 100 uh, circle is around 125 from this center. Okay, so let us draw that. So you can draw this arc of 100 radius, and this center is around, in vertical measure distance, it is around, if you just check it, it is around 125. Okay, it is around 125. Now this and this circle is tangent to each other, tangency, correct? Now there is one arc, this is of 420 radius, which is tangent to this and this. Okay, so let us make them 420 radius. So one circle is there. I will draw a random circle here, and now you can give the dimension to that. That is around 420. Okay, so which is tangent to this circle, like this tangency, and also it is tangent to this part, maintain tangency. Correct. Now you can trim other part. So as we don't require this part, this middle part also we don't require, and this part. Okay, so this lower side we have finished. Now only this part is remaining, so let us focus on this part. Okay, so here two circles we need to draw. Okay, so first circle is of 56 and second circle is at, sorry, yes, 50 diameter. Okay, 56 and 50 diameter. So you can use a elongated hole here also, like this you can draw. Okay, so it is around, the bigger circle is around 56 radius. So 56, and one more small circle is there of 50, like it is 50. So radius is 25, you can say. Now you can give a distance. It is around 340 from this direction, and it is 125 from this one. Horizontal distance is 340. So this horizontal distance is 340, and vertical distance. So here we need to give vertical distance from this to this, like this. It is around 125, correct? So let us see now. Just we need to trim this middle part, like this, and we mention this line as a vertical line. Okay, just click on OK. So if you just compare, I think we have covered all the things. The only things, these fillets are remaining, so we can give it to. I hope you like this video. If you like this, if you find this as a useful, just subscribe our channel. Thank you. We'll meet you in next session.